You see, even gods are jealous of me. She part the seas like she's Moses. Mama took it to a cop walk. I go wait for drama. I got moves with the blow. I'm the queen marina and I do it so hot. I'll get it somehow. Born in an island and raised by the seas. Golden skin, I'm the Filipino queen. I'm a Filipina. I'm rising like a wave. Ain't nobody with this morena to the ground. I'm a Filipina. Before my charisma, you need to start to see. I'm bringing home the winning crown. I'm your Filipina queen. Saka yung magiging balat na papatingin. Mga biti ko nakikita na sa magazine. From the province to the world, everybody wanna see me just like this. Awi sa balat, ilang ang mga panamuti. Lahat sila'y nakaabang sa aking mga ngiti. I'm the savage ever living the Manila Sea. It's Marina Summers, kapag walang ngiti. Di ko kailangang sumabay pa sa luso. Ako'y magiging totoo na aking ginusto. I'm a Filipina, ganda ko'y irarapa. Di magpapatinag sa sabihin ng iba. I'm a Filipina.
Mike. Posing car.
Marvolo Flores Camelo 20, sponsored by Barangay Malasiban, Hashem Effect, Hunogoro, Solo Malakaro.
Hindi ko nakikita na sa magazine. From the province to the world, everybody wanna see me just like this. Candidate number 2.
Trade me throughout the birthday 19, sponsored by RJY and Golfins Construction.
Sa puso,
Candidate number 3.
Angelica Villar 21, sponsored by Usman Balintawa.
sabihin ng iba.
Number 4.
Zebone Gerardo Metuda 20, sponsored by Falcor Marketing Corporation.
Candidate number 5.
Jam Salo Natinga 18, sponsored by Sangguniang Pangangsan and Vice Mayor's Office, Alegre Escalante.
Candidate number 6.
Kuryaki Bill More Than Kuryano 20, sponsored by Naglipay-Lipay Kita, Casa Nostra.
Candidate number 7.
Javerly Fuentes Caballero 22, sponsored by Clustered Barangays of Limango, Washington, and Cervantes. Avance Ayuse!
From the province to the world, everybody wanna see me just like
Number
this. Sa balat, ilang ang mga panamuti. Lahat sila'y nakaabang sa aking mga ngiti.
Trecho May Vasquez 21, sponsored by the Clustered Barangays of Lamu, Hapitan, Rizal, Buena Vista, and Luntuman. Alangkada, Laharipuman.
I'm a Filipina, ganda ko'y irarapa.
Candidate number 9.
Patinag sa sabihin ng iba.
Princess Jerlene Cranay Molina 19, proud to represent the sponsored Barangay Magsaysay, Tama, Binanyuhan, and Barangay Janay, Arriba, Tribo, Magkapian.
Candidate number 10.
Maria Priapanda 22, sponsored by Barangay Poblacion, Tribo, Tanlungsod.
Candidate number 11.
Lou Jane Regali Cameron 21, sponsored by the clustered barangays of Mabini, Pinapakasan, Libertad, and Paitan, Arangka, Mabilipa.
Savage ever living
Plus, Miss Leslie's candidate number 12.
ko kailangang sumabay pa sa puso.
Races Olivio Galoy 19, sponsored by Creating Hope in the World, Rotary Club Escalante.
Alright, that was our 12 lovely candidates as their introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, our reigning Malamos Festival Queen Shadea S. Saliba.
This is Sodea Shadea Soborna Suliba, your reigning Malambos Festival Queen and your Linay Sir Escalante. I am inviting everyone to witness the talent competition and the festival competition tonight. And tomorrow, May 28th, is the grand coronation of our Manlambos Festival Queen 2023. See you all and happy 26th Manlambos